Find two consecutive negative integers, sum of whose squares is 481. This question from the chapter Quadratic Equations was asked in the 2026 CBSE board exam. Here what we need to find two consecutive negative integers, sum of whose squares is 481. Let the two consecutive negative integers be x and x plus 1. So what is given? Sum of whose squares is 481. That means x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 481. That means x square plus x plus 1 whole square we will expand like a plus b the whole square. We know a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will be x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 is 2x plus b square. 1 is equal to 481. X square plus x square is 2x square. 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Right side 481. When we take to left side, it will be minus 481 equal to 0. That is equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 481. That is equal to minus 480 equal to 0. If we divide throughout by 2, we will get x square plus 2x by 2 is x minus 480 divided by 2 is 240 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this to get the value of x. 240 when we prime factorize we will get 120, again 260, again 230, 215, now 3, 5. Now we will write x square plus, instead of x we have to get there x means 1x. We will write 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16 and 3 into 5 is 15. So 16 minus 16 into 15 is 240 and 16 minus 15 is 1x. So we will write, instead of x we will write 16x minus 15x minus 240 equal to 0. We will group this x square plus 16x and this another group minus 15x minus 240. So we'll, from x square plus 16x we will take x common. So we'll get x into x plus 16. Now x plus 16, in this bracket we have x plus 16. We will write that bracket again here, x plus 16. Now we have here minus 15x. So we'll write here minus 15. Now minus 15 into x is minus 15x and minus 15 into plus 16 is minus 240, which is equal to 0. Now x plus 16 is common. We will write x plus 16 into, here we have x, so into x. Here from here one, if x plus 16 is gone, we have minus 15 here. So x minus 15 equal to 0. X plus 16 into x minus 15 equal to 0 implies either x plus 16 equal to 0 or x minus 15 equal to 0. When x plus 16 is equal to 0, we have x equal to minus 16. When x minus 15 equal to 0, we have x equal to plus 15. But x equal to 15, it being a positive number, this does not satisfy the given condition. So we will take x equal to minus 16. So the two consecutive numbers are one x equal to minus 16, the other is x plus 1 which is equal to minus 16 plus 1 which is equal to minus 15. Therefore the two consecutive numbers are, one is minus 16, the other is minus 15.